Today, your customers expect to reach your business as easily as they reach friends and family, and our increasingly digital, always-on world is transforming the way companies connect to customers. To provide a connected customer journey, businesses need visibility into all customer interactions across the business. Here's where IMImobile helps. IMImobile allows businesses to take any trigger from any business system or channel and deliver personalized, context-aware communication to the customer in real time. IMI's low-code, no-code communications platform makes it fast and easy for businesses to build and orchestrate customer journeys together with the all-new Webex Contact Center. IMImobile technology will help Cisco provide businesses customer experience solutions that delight.